fact, si Laila de Lima, nagagalit siya noong naging mini trial. Yung impeachment complaint laban kay hindi naman pwedeng sabihin Chief Justice kasi lalim void nga against Maria Lourdes Sereno. Yung mga same people na galit noon na naging mini trial daw under then committee chairman Ray Umali, naka 18 trials, galit na galit sila. Sila ngayon ang gumagawa ng same. That is the hypocrisy of the present House Committee on Justice, except for Representative Rufus Rodriguez. Ganyan po ang ginagawa. Ina-abuse din yung subpoena powers sapagkat sabi nga po nila, okay, the House and the Senate, they have broad powers to formulate their own rules of procedure. Ngunit, always and in the final act, at ipapaliwanag po yan ng mga kasama ko, I'm just laying the broad outline, hindi po maaring sumalungat ang power ng either house, the House of the Senate and the House of Representatives, na formulate ng rules na labag sa saligang batas, particularly the due process clause, the right against self-incrimination, and the right to remain silent. So, yan po, ang isa sa mga kinamapahala namin, ina-abuse. Bakit? Ewan ko kung alam mo hindi. Kasi, at si Terry Didon, back in the days when Terry Didon was just growing his face, nandun na kami sa impeachment ni na Jim at saka ni Manny. Kaya sinasabi po nga namin, si Luistro, si De Lima, ay napakapangit po ng sinasabi nila doon sa committee hearing. Sapagkat nabag po sa batas. Kita-kita naman natin, they're turning this into a demolition job. Can you imagine the pettiness of these people? Nagpapakuha ka ng Mary Grace, Beatos, si Sedanya, di ba? Tabingi po ang katuwiran ni Sedanya sa dating na yan because they're undergoing trial by publicity. Yan po ang kinababahala namin. They're abusing the process. They should let the Senate conduct the trial kasi may pagkakaiba po yan. Ang daming abogado dito. They can explain it better. We have lawyers here who are much better than myself.
Okay.
So, with that, yun po ang pahayag ng PDP. We are alarmed, we are bothered, we are very deeply concerned with the weaponization nitong process sa House na dapat summary lang ginagawa nila. They're converting it into a kangaroo court. At ang panawagan po namin sa committee, alam naman po natin, huwag na nating lokohin ang taong bayan. Alam naman namin that you will find sufficient ground and you will transmit it to the Senate. Gawin nyo na. Hipokrito kayo Kunyari pa nagtatrial kayo, preordained na naman ang conclusion yan And you're not fooling anyone. So, gawin nyo na. Ngunit siyempre hindi nila gagawin dahil gagawin nila ito to rake the Vice President over the coals. That is why we believe in the PDP that it was a very smart move for the Vice President not to attend. Siyempre, i-twist nila yan. Pero, tama po ang Vice Presidente. Bakit ka pupunta sa isang kangaroo court, sa isang court of a star chamber na alam mo na ang kahihinatnan, you will only be legitimizing what they are doing, the illegal and unconstitutional things that they are doing by your presence. So ang klaro po dyan, nakita po natin yung stand ni VP sa kanyang answer. Wala pong waiver of rights at wala pong waiver ng any constitutional objections that there may be down the road. Maraming salamat po. And now I turn you over to my more capable brethren in the profession.
The youngest.
And